As we all are celebrating the 76th anniversary of our republic, let us not just revisit the pages of our history where every citizen can live with dignity and pride. The future where diversity is celebrated and inclusivity is strengthened, where mind is without fear, where head is held high. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ होठों में गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसको हर ठुकराए हुए की शरण स्थल बन जाता है और हर 7 समंदर पार परदेशों को अपना भाई और सिस्टर कह के बुलाता है। यह वह देश भारत महान कहलाता है। Namaskar and a very fantastic good morning to all of you, presenting a warm welcome to all the respected dignitaries. As we all are celebrating the 76th anniversary of our republic, let us not just revisit the pages of our history, but also ponder over the unwritten pages of our future. We are the inheritors of our glorious legacy, a civilization that has been a beacon of knowledge, a wisdom and a spirituality over its centuries. As we look to the future, let us draw an inspiration from our national heroes who have shown us that with courage, with perseverance and with determination, we can overcome even the most doubting challenges. Let us strive to become an active citizens of this country, to participate in a democratic way, engage in a constructive dialogue, and work together to creating a better India for all. We are able to uphold the value of enshrined in our constitution, who promote the spirit of nationalism and patriotism. Let us envision the future of India that is bright, bold and beautiful. The future where every citizen can live with dignity and pride. The future where diversity is celebrated and inclusivity is strengthened. By the word of a famous person, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. We can be the change. We just have to realize that there are still unwritten pages of our future. The pages that await that ink of innovation, ink of sustainability and ink of social changes. We are the citizens of India and authors of our destiny. We have the power to write the destiny. We have the power of writing the next chapter of our nation's story, the chapter that is yet unwritten and yet untold. I would like to end my say with the words of a famous national poet, Rabindranath Tagore. Where mind is without fear, where head is held high, where knowledge is free. The world has not been broken into fragments with the narrow domestic walls. Let us strive to build a nation that is worthy of our higher aspiration. Thank you for hearing my words. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.